Unlock a world of effortless international money transfers with your very first Wise account. Let's dive right in and get your Wise journey started. The first step is signing up for an account. Head over to the Wise website or download the app and click on Sign Up. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong, secure password. Once your account is created, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve uploading a photo of your ID and possibly a selfie. This process is quick and ensures your account is protected. Now that you're all set up, let's talk about sending money. Click on the Send Money option. You'll need to select the currency you want to send from and the currency you want to send to. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer. Wise will clearly show you the real exchange rate and any fees up front. No surprises. Next, you'll need to add the recipient's details. You can send money to yourself, to another Wise user, or to someone's bank account. Provide their name, bank name, and account number. Double-check all the details to avoid any errors. Once everything looks correct, you'll review the transaction and confirm the payment. Receiving money is just as straightforward. If someone is sending money to you, they'll need your Wise account details. Depending on the currency, you can find your personal Wise account information on your dashboard, which looks like a local bank account in the currency you hold. Wise offers a multicurrency account, meaning you can hold and manage money in various currencies. This is incredibly useful for managing your finances across different countries. You can even get local bank details for major currencies, making it easier for people to pay you directly. With Wise, sending and receiving money internationally becomes a seamless experience, empowering you as a true global citizen. Start exploring your Wise account today and see how easy international finance can be.